Hello everyone, here's something a bit different then. You didn't expect this today. Now I was just driving around and I parked up. As I was just about to turn up that road there about where that van is, I spotted something. And this is, you're not going to believe this now. Who would have thought in this day and age, this isn't France, this is the UK, that you can still find, you can spot things like that. Hiding away. I've just gone and spoken to the owner. Very nice guy. He just said, yeah, go and have a look, do what you want. Most of you, I guess, would say, oh, get in there, get offer, put an offer in or whatever, but no, I just chatted to him about it. If it's here these days, it means whoever is, you know, it lives here. This is it until whatever happens. But look at this. Look what we found. Now, to start off with, everyone, you can all be shouting at me and going, Matt, what are you doing? Because I know absolutely nothing about this. I can't even tell you if this is a WC51 or a WC52 or whatever. I know absolutely nothing. So unlike Jeeps, I'm really sorry. I can't go around it and point things out, but you guys can look at it and you can tell me in the comments what's to point out here. I'm just going to look for what I think is anything interesting on it. But just speaking to the chap about it, it's been used as forestry vehicle, so I'm guessing that it's got loads of plates stuck on it and everything, well rusted. That's got that really nasty old like active rust on it, which is, well, inactive rust, but it's when it's flaking like that, it's really been at it. Let's have a look. What have we got? Big giant piece of metal in the tyre there. Looks like an air filter. Let's have a look. Lights look as though they've all been changed. I'm not seeing anything I'd recognise as, I think the bowls are all right, but the actual bulbs all look changed there. Let's have a look at these tyres. Look at those. Michelins. I don't think those are World War II. Hello. Right, how do you open this thing? Does it just... Gents, I'm really sorry. Like I said, I have literally no idea. Oh yeah. You just gotta actually put some... Oh look, I can see some star washers. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is rusty. Look at that. I mean, it looks to me, if this was a Jeep, I'd be saying that's looking bloody original, because if I just push this up, as I said, I don't want to break anything. You guys who know stuff about this, those are World War II style wire clips. I'm seeing an original regulator. Wiring looks... Jeez Louise, look at this. This is a time capsule. Oh, I got a data plate here, guys. Serial number. Again, you'll all know a lot more than me. Can you see that? I can't make it out. You'll be able to see better. The sun is really bright for me. But there's the numbers, guys. There's the numbers. Like I'm saying, if this was a Jeep, this is the sort of thing, oh gosh, as a restoration project, you'd be thinking this is doable, but this rust is pretty nasty. It's all, see, is this dipstick? Let's have a look. Oh, she's oily. Oh, sorry, the guy was really nice. He said, fill your boots, have some fun, have a look around it, do what you want. So if anyone's going, oh, what are you doing? Don't play with this thing. He was more than happy. I had a nice chat to him. He was a really nice guy. So he was on board with me, just having a quick peek. Let's go around the other side. I can see a carburetor there. Ay. This is awesome. I tell you what, I did not expect this, peeps. Oh no, how does this work? I'm doing this one-handed. What happens here? Does this go underneath? I think it does, doesn't it? This is a stay rod and it goes in there to keep it up, doesn't it? That's it. I'm literally learning on the job, or trying to. Now what have I done? Oh shoot, guys. Let's just leave this propped up, and then when I've got two hands, I'll put it away properly in a minute. But at the moment, I can't do anything, I'm sorry. Those of you who use these have got one, knows how these work, know what they do. I apologise, I have no idea. I've never touched one before. Look at this. No way. Well, it's got a cover on the top of the carb at least. Oh, Matt, sorry. Dodge thing, whatever you are. I'm sorry. Look at this. This is crazy. The original style connectors, everything. Carb. It's all there. This is, I mean, like I said, I know nothing about... Oh, look at that. I know nothing about them, but I know what looks original and what doesn't look original, and this looks good. It's pencil markings on the original paint by the looks of it. Got dirty fingers now, but hold on. I'll lick my dirty fingers. That's what she said. Oh no. That hasn't made it work. There we go. Can we see anything? There was a 1-3, but my lick has made it not helped looking at it. Oh well, but there are some original numbers on there, some original pencil numbers, markings from the factory, I guess. Let's have a look around. What else have we got? Lots of suppressed star washers on it. Again, when we're looking at Jeeps, I would be thinking that's really original because it hasn't been off, because people lose those star washers, they don't care about them. See any markings? Shout if you see markings. Got reflectors. No markings, everyone. Just a British painted on reflectors. We'll go around the other side and see if we can spot anything. I guess the back is all cut out for logging. Bumperettes on there. Good gauges from here by the looks of it. It's difficult to see with the light. We'll get in closer for you in a second. Hold on. This is really on the fly on my phone, everybody, so don't get all excited about the quality of this. I'm just trying my best here. Let's go round. Let's go round. Wow, I mean, this really is something. I did not expect this today. Ah, yeah, look, cut out, needs must. No sign of stars or anything like that, or any particular markings. I mean, I'm guessing this is the real original paint under here, but not seeing any markings or stars or anything. There's a great combat rim. Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. Oh my giddy aunt. Right, have we got any? Can we see anything on here? What can we see? Where am I looking? It's not going well, Pete. I'm not seeing a huge amount here, I'm going to be honest. They're very faded. If you look really carefully, you might be able to get something. Nice gauges. Look at that, look at that. Those lovely gauges. Beautiful, wow. That is beautiful. Missing his chokes out, ready to go. Yeah, awesome. That one over there, whichever one that is, that's pretty well worn. I really can't make anything out on here, I'm really sorry. You have a look real careful. This is what I'm seeing. Really difficult to see anything. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. And then there's no real bed by the looks of it. Yeah, I don't think there's... I think it's mostly removed out here. We see there's a firewall pad like you would have on a Jeep. Yeah, like I'm saying, all I can talk about is how I'd compare this to a Jeep, and this would be a serious find as a Jeep. What's this? A panel. We've got a panel of some description. Right, let's have a look. Let's see if we can see any stars or any other markings on the back, and then we'll leave this old... Ooh, hold on, sorry. Goodyear, original World War II, S5 tyre, military. Oh, look at this, 9x16. Oh, this is awesome. Real, that's the real tyre. That's the original World War II tyre. Ay, ay, ay. If I miss anything and you want to have a look at it, let me know, because the guy was really nice and he said I can just pop, if I want to pop by again and have a look, I can do. But there's the filler neck, and there's the original wire clamps for it. Trailer socket back there underneath as well. There's the trailer socket, shackles. This is super, although it's cut up, but you know, I would say, knowing nothing about them, I would say this looks to be super original to me. Let's have a look. A star? Yes, we did it. We did it. There she is. We found some original markings. So straight out of... Let's have a look. Can you get in here with me? Oh, I can't see here properly, but gents, you can. You can see better than I can. If you can make anything out of that, unit markings. Well, there we go. That is it. The WC something, which Green Dot 319 knows absolutely nothing about, but here it is. If it was a Jeep, I would know a hell of a lot more, but I think we've seen a good amount there. But they're still out there, peeps, even when you're not intending on it. Even in this day and age, they really are out there. And if you're nice and you go and speak to people nicely, and you just go out there with an open attitude towards them, then they'll let you play with them and look at them, and because they're nice people too. So just a useful bit of info there about getting to see things like this is you've got to do the people work first before you can get to do this sort of thing. But there you go. Enjoy that.